In this video, I will show you how you can get refund of your skins in Brawl Stars. So to get your refund in skins, you have to open your Brawl Stars. Then on top right side, there are three lines. Click on these three lines and go to your settings. In settings, click on help and support. In help and support, click on purchases. Then click on Supercell Store. In Supercell Store, you can see there help with Supercell Store. Click on that. When you click on help with Supercell Store, now you can see it's showing if you have purchased via these methods, then you can refund your skins. But keep in mind, for refund, you must have your purchase receipt. So you can get your purchase receipt if you don't have. So click on this blue link, your purchase receipt. When you click on this link, a new window open in front of you. Now here you can see this is a method you can find your purchase receipt. So follow this method, go to Supercell account and then find your receipt. Once you will get your receipt, then screenshot this receipt and then contact with Spot. Once you contact with Spot, they will ask for the screenshot of that purchase, then send a screenshot of that purchase and you will get your refund on your skins.